I need 500 moles of vibranium to make fission, but I only have 800 grams of vibranium. I need to use the mole concept to change grams to moles, and I'm going to do that right now. But first I must give you an example of dimensional analysis in order to understand the mole concept. So if you had 20 grams of H2O, you would get the molar mass and then divide your given grams divided by the molar mass and you get your how many moles you have. Okay, now let's do it for real. Okay, if I had 800 grams of vibranium and the molar mass of vibranium is 100 grams and I divide 800 divided by 100, then I would get 8 moles of vibranium, which is not even enough to make fission, considering I need 500 moles of vibranium to make him. Okay, now let's do some math so we can see how many grams we actually need for 500 moles. Okay, so after doing the math, we see that for 500 moles of vibranium, and we multiplied it by the molar mass of vibranium, then we would need 50,000 grams of vibranium in order to make fission. And that's a lot. Okay, now let's do some vocabulary. A mole is a unit of substance based on the periodic table. Avogadro's number is the number of units in 1 mole of any substance, equal to 6.02 to 140,857 times 10 to the 23rd power. The empirical formula is the formula given as proportions. The molecular formula is the formula with actual numbers in the compound. So like if you had H4O8, then your empirical formula would be HO2 because you would divide by 4 since it's a common multiple. And then for your molecular formula, it would just be the H4O8 because that's how much it really is in the compound. A molecule is composed of 2 or more elements that are covalently bonded, and a formula unit indicates the lowest whole number ratio of ions in an ionic compound. Okay, now let's do particles to grams just in case you need to do that too. Okay, so you would get your particles, you would divide your particles given by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, or you would do your particles given times your molar mass divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd in order to get your answer. Okay, so I'm gonna go buy 50,000 moles of vibranium so I can make fission. Good luck doing the mole concept on your own.